What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $50 PayPal money easy. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, hang tight and stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $50 PayPal money easy. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And soon I'm going to give away some free money. So please smash that like button and drop a comment down below. And do me this favor. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped. Now, I don't want to keep you guys in this video too long. So I'm going to get right to the point. So please watch this video all the way to the very end so you know every step you need to take to earn $50 PayPal money easy. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. So let's grind and let's get it. All right. I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called test.io. And this is a testing website. They test apps. So you're going to become a tester. So what you're going to do is just scroll down here all the way to the bottom. And you're going to click on Become a Tester. Okay, it says here, join our testing community, become a tester, test the latest apps, websites, and games, and get paid for every issue you find. So this is kind of different than the other testing, because I've done some before in the past, testing websites where you test apps. This one, when you find a bug, you get $50 every time you find a bug. So that's how this website works. So let's scroll down here and just read a little bit more. Earn good money. So like I said before, earn up to $50 for every issue you find. Can't find any bugs? No problem. You can also be paid for rating apps. And work from home, easily work from home or from your favorite place. Work the hours that make sense for you. So you can work any hours. Test the latest apps. Be the first to see the latest apps from top companies and cool startups. Now here's the registration process. So you'll go to this website right here to register. That's testioplay.wpengine.com and easily add all the devices you can test on. So you can test on more than one device. So you don't have to just use your phone. You can probably use your maybe your laptop and maybe your iPad or tablet. And your first, right here it says start your first test. As soon as you register, you'll receive an invitation for your first test. So you don't have to wait like some of those other websites. You have to wait to do a test by email. But as soon as you sign up, you get a test. You get to test an app. All right, receive your first payout. You get paid from your first test run when you find bugs. And get more invitations. Receive more invitations based on devices you have, your interests, and your skills. Earn while you learn. And become a testing king. Climb the ladder to test the hottest apps or participate in exclusive test runs with more opportunities. Now let's scroll down here to the frequently asked questions. It says here, how much can you earn? Most tests pay by the bug. You earn more money for more critical bugs. Up to $50 for the most important bugs. You can also earn guaranteed money by reviewing apps or completing scripted test cases. So you can also get paid by reviewing apps and completing test cases. Now let's look at one more frequently asked question right here where it says, when and how do I get paid? We pay once per month using PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, or bank transfer. So you get paid once a month. But within that month, you're going to have a lot of tests you're going to be doing, so all that can add up. You're probably going to be getting more than $50 by the end of the month. All right, so that concludes this how this website works. So if you're interested in it, go to test.io. All right, now you know the method you need to implement to earn $50 PayPal money easy. So go ahead and sign up with that website, start doing those tests, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video to the very end. Please, before you leave, make sure you smash that like button and drop a comment down below. And share this on social media everywhere. And do me this favor, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped, because I make videos like this every day. All right, thanks again for you guys' support. Keep sharing if you're sharing my video, and keep hitting that like button so I can get my video out there to everybody. Drop a comment down below. If you've been dropping comments, keep dropping comments. That also helps my video. So I thank you guys for your support, for always watching my videos. All right, before I leave, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Deuces.
This is App Grind TV.